Hi there. I just wanted to show you some changes I've made to this device, and it's made the world of difference to it. What I've done is I swapped out the transistors. I just wasn't getting on with the type I was using, but I went back to the drawing board and tested it. I tested this specific circuit out with a whole range of different transistors, a whole range of different NPNs, and the MJ13009 seemed to come out on top. Tried them out on other systems, and they were sort of like touch and go really, but on this specific system they seemed to perform really well. So it took me a few days to rip out, gut out the entire circuit and just match a whole bunch of them and start again really. But this is much better with these type. The other thing I'm doing is I'm working on a different system now, and the new one, it's going to have the same amount of coils, 10 coils, but with some changes to it. Now, what I'm doing is I noticed that winding these coils to the pots, it's the thermal tape underneath makes the world of difference. So what I'm doing is I'm using the thermal tape just over the pots, adding the wind, and it seems to adhere to the wind much easier, so it doesn't slip as much, which is a pain. And then over the top, so you do it in layers, not all in one piece, but just do it in layers, so you're not really overlapping the tape, otherwise your wind is going to be inconsistent. So that's what I'm doing with the new device, but that's going to have 19 switching circuits, 10 coils, wound bifilar. So that's the new one that's coming. But yeah, I've noticed this thing's not doesn't seem to be consuming as much now. So it's not, and it seems to be feeding more to the front end, which this is the front end. And I can still cycle through. I'm not feeding it as much now. Through the trigger, so it's much better. So better all round really. So I thought I'd share that. Anyway, thanks for watching.